can get the best hotel deal at the best price.
The Regency Samira Vellore by GRT Hotels. This is one of the 3-star popular choice hotels in Vellore. This hotel is 5 minutes away from the city center, which makes it accessible to all the tourist spots. The hotel provides with all the basic facilities and amenities. It has a 24-hour front desk, an in-house restaurant providing 24-hour room service, a fitness center, a bar as well as a coffee shop. They also have a huge ballroom where you can host any kind of functions or celebrations. All the rooms here are non-smoking AC rooms and you can select them according to your budget. The rooms here are priced at about 3,200, which goes up to 3,700 depending upon the category of room that you select. We have also provided the cheapest booking codes in our description below. The Khanna Fiesta is next up on our list. This hotel provides one of the greatest accommodations, excellent service and superior facilities. It is an absolutely perfect venue for a relaxing stay. The hotel has an in-house restaurant as well as an in-house bar. The rooms here are extremely clean and spacious. The hotel also provides with different categories of rooms available starting from 2,200, which goes up to 5,000 rupees depending upon the room category that you select. You can also enjoy a complimentary buffet breakfast along with any of your room selection. To make it easier for you, we've attached the cheapest booking codes in our description below. The Benz Park is next up on our list. This hotel is about 10 minutes away from the city center, which makes it accessible to all the tourist spots. This hotel provides modern facilities and amenities for their guests. This hotel has a fitness center, an outdoor swimming pool, a bar, a restaurant as well as a coffee shop. This is one of the few hotels in Vellore where they have 4 different types of restaurants in the hotel. This hotel provides an extremely pleasant stay for their guests. They also have options of family rooms available. This hotel has different categories of rooms available and you can select them according to your budget. They're priced at about 2,800, which goes up to 5,000 rupees. And to make it easier for you, we've attached the cheapest booking codes in our description below. Our next hotel is Fortune Park Vellore. Whether you're visiting the city for business or leisure, this is one of the hotels we definitely recommend. The hotel provides with all the amazing facilities available. The hotel has a fitness center, a spa and sauna, an indoor and outdoor swimming pool. It is also one of the few hotels in Vellore which has a nightclub. They also have a poolside bar, a coffee shop, an in-house restaurant providing 24-hour room service. This hotel also has a rooftop restaurant where you can enjoy the beautiful, amazing view of the city. This hotel has different categories of rooms available and you can select them according to your budget. They are priced at about 3,600, goes up to 13,000 rupees. Depending upon the category of room that you select. Our next hotel is the Kingsbury Hotel. This is one of the 3-star popular hotels in Vellore. It is also located in one of the most popular areas, which makes it accessible to all the city center points. The hotel provides with all the basic facilities. It has an in-house restaurant, a 24-hour front desk, a coffee shop, and also provides 24-hour room service facilities. They also have a tour desk at the hotel where you can plan your day tours. The rooms at this hotel are priced at about 1,800, which goes up to 2,000 rupees depending upon the category of room that you select. To make it easier for you, we've also attached the booking links in our description below.
If you're enjoying this video, please drop us a like button and also please do subscribe back to our channel to get information about various hotel deals in different cities.
The Hotel SMS Grand Inn is next up on our list. This hotel is just 10 minutes away from the city center. It is also one of the most excellent and popular choice of hotels in Vellore. The hotel provides with all the basic facilities like a 24-hour front desk, free Wi-Fi all over the hotel, an in-house restaurant, a tour desk. All the rooms here are non-smoking rooms and they also have options of family rooms available. The rooms here are priced at about 1,800 and goes up to 2,500 depending upon the category of room that you select. Our next hotel is the Darling Residency Vellore. This is a 3-star easily accessible hotel in Vellore. This hotel ensures a pleasant stay for their guests. Comfort and guest satisfaction is their topmost priority. This hotel provides with all the basic facilities. It has a 24-hour front desk, it has an in-house restaurant, a bar. They also provide with babysitting services. The rooms here are extremely comfortable and spacious. They are priced at about 2,500 rupees onwards, and you can also enjoy a complimentary breakfast along with your room selection. We have the Nanilam Organic Farm Stay next up on our list. This organic farm is an ideal location to spend your vacation or adventure in peace and tranquil. You can learn here about living along with nature. Some of the popular amenities that the farm stay provides are free Wi-Fi, an outdoor pool, and also an on-site restaurant. All rooms here include air conditioning, a desk, and a fireplace. They also have a private dining area. This farm stay has different categories of rooms available, starting from 3,600 goes up to 5,500. You can also enjoy a complimentary Asian breakfast along with your room selection. To make it easier for you, we've attached the booking links in our description below. We have the Hotel Hill Breeze next up on our list. This hotel is a budgeted accommodation in Vellore which offers rooms with free internet access. The hotel also provides with all the basic facilities and amenities such as a 24-hour front desk, a luggage storage, medical facilities, and laundry services. The hotel also has an in-house restaurant as well as a coffee shop. This hotel has different categories of rooms available, and you can also enjoy the hill view from your rooms. The rooms here are priced at about 1,800 goes up to 2,600, and you can select them according to your budget. The Hotel Royal Grand is next up on our list. This hotel is one of the most popular and highly recommended hotels in Vellore. This hotel also has one of the biggest royal halls where you can organize any kind of functions or celebrations. They have a beautiful garden lawn also available on the property. This hotel provides with all the modern amenities and facilities. They have a 24-hour front desk, an in-house restaurant. The hotel has a 24-hour front desk facility, an in-house restaurant, as well as a tour desk at the hotel. All the rooms here are very well equipped with AC, flat screen TVs, and a private bathroom. They also have family rooms available. The rooms here are extremely comfortable and spacious. They are priced at about 3,800, which goes up to 5,000 rupees, and you can select them according to your budget. And as always, we have attached the booking links in our description below.
In case you've missed out on any of the best hotels according to you, please do let us know in the comment section below. We wish you a safe and a pleasant stay. Bye bye.